Hey everyone, welcome back to Self Love Club. I'm Sonal and this is the part 3 video. And this is all about serum. And now, after the cleansing and toning part, moving to serums. Hey, just a minute. If you have missed watching the part 1 and part 2, please do watch and come back for the part 3 because you're going to learn a lot about skincare. Now, if you're wondering what did I apply just now on my face, and this toner is gonna give you such a beautiful glow on your skin. It is filled with salicylic acid, so it's going to kill all your skin problems. And you have to know why we use a toner exactly, so you need to see that video. Chalo, moving further. Now, basically, if you're looking to amp up your skincare routine with an extra product that offers you a more powerful dose of active ingredients than a cleanser or a moisturizer or a face cream, and then this is the answer. It is designed to nourish, protect, and hydrate your skin. A face serum is a great next step after cleansing and before moisturizing, as it is a light but more powerful than a moisturizer. So I'm just sharing the serums which I'm using on my daily basis. The first one was the Garnier. Y'all can see it is almost getting over. The Wow Vitamin C Serum. And now the next serum is from the Dermat. It is the Niacinamide Serum. After this is the Little Earth's Skincare. This is with age-defining hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum. Very soon I'm going to share or tell you all about why serum is important. And now the next product is the Biotique Dandelion Visibly Ageless Serum. And now the next one was the Recule Pit Stop Gel. This the doctor had given me for the acne, spots and scars, and also for the pits. And now this one was so beautiful from Garnier, guys. Just try that once. It is amazing. Moving further, today I'm just gonna show you all the L'Oreal products. The earlier two videos also were about the L'Oreal products, so I'm using the same kind of skincare. Now this one is my third bottle, and this is the L'Oreal Revital Lift 1.5% of hyaluronic acid, and this is a beautiful serum which deeply hydrates and gives you a visibly plump skin. You can see the bottle is so luxurious and retails for 999. That is about 1000 rupees for this bottle. But trust me guys, every penny spent on this bottle is worth it. So the question is now, what does a serum do? Serums are used mainly on targeting on specific skin issues such as pigmentation, marks, acne, uneven skin tone, blemishes, or many more issues like dullness, fine lines, and there are many skin issues, right? Now it's like काफ़ी लोग बोलते हैं कि यार मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा लिया तो सीरम की क्या ज़रूरत है. नो, द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन मतलब इसमें जो एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल है. नाउ मॉइस्चराइज़र इज़ जस्ट गोइंग टू नरिश योर स्किन एंड इट्स गोइंग टू गिव यू हाइड्रेशन. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू ट्रीट योर प्रॉब्लम, द स्किन इशू, क्योंकि सीरम्स में ही ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं या इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं, जैसे विटामिन सी, विटामिन ई एंड रेटिनॉल फॉर पिगमेंटेशन एंड अलग अलग चीज़ें अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए. There are a lot of serums available and different serums available for different skin issues. So accordingly you can choose and treat your skin. So come on, let me tell you a little more about serums. Serums are really lightweight. They get absorbed into skin very quickly and also gives you that perfect treatment to your skin. And if any of you all are feeling that serums are going to be oily or greasy, no, not at all. Serums are never oily and greasy. If you're using a facial oil, that's going to be oily and greasy, but that also has a meaning. So that will be the next video where I'll be coming up with facial oils. चलो शॉर्ट में समझा देती हूँ. बिकॉज द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज़ हाई इन serums, it typically takes a short amount of time to show you a visible result. Isn't it great? I hope I was good enough to explain you all about serums, and I hope that you understood that why are serums important, why is it a third step in skincare routine. Guys, there is absolutely no other lights like ring light or anything. I am just shooting it under the natural sunlight. I've just put my tripod in front of the window and I'm just shooting and showing you all the actual skin. Can you all see the glow on my skin, on my forehead, on my cheeks, on my nose? I love this. Do you need anything after this? I mean, like, no foundation and nothing else. See, when you want to hide things, you need all that. But when you're treating your skin with serums, you need nothing after that. Day by day, your skin is going to improve, showing its best results, and you are going to love your skin. That is why you need a serum. And now I'm a person where I like to layer it up. The first serum what I used was the hyaluronic acid that was from the brand L'Oreal. Now this serum, guys, always before using the serum, now you have to shake it well so that the ingredients become active. Now this serum is from the brand Little Earth Skincare. This is very pure and this serum is an age defining hyaluronic and vitamin C serum. So see, since I have all these acne marks right now, I need to reduce them. I'm using the vitamin C serum. Guys, we all know that vitamin C is so good for skin. The best part is it contains no nasty chemicals. It actually brightens and plumps your skin tissues to keep it soft and give you that dewy, smooth kind of look. It's completely natural and pure and it is cruelty free. All you need to do with serums is just take about 3 to 5 drops of the serum on the entire face and neck and just dab it well. Just dab, dab, dab until and unless you feel that the serum is just gone and absorbed into your skin. That is how you're gonna get the glow. Mainly, it's gonna target on your skin issues. And yes, guys, if you're interested in buying this Little Earth skincare serums, they are really amazing. They also have many more skincare products. They have their page on Instagram. I'm gonna link their page in my description so y'all can have a check. They have amazing skincare products. They are all very natural, no chemical at all, very effective as it is pure. Now moving back to serums, guys, serums are mainly important for 25 plus. Yes, definitely you have skin issues and a lot of blemishes, the pigmentations, the marks, acne, and because of the changes in hormones, you have different skin issues. Serums are going to help you. Now you all can see that I've just pinned my hair up and this is what I do on my daily basis. When I'm at home, I just like to do a lot of skincare and actually get all the benefits of all the ingredients and pamper my skin. Can you all see my skin is already feeling so soft, well hydrated, nourished, and it is glowing and also treating my skin. That is the most important thing what you get from a serum. Guys, nothing happens overnight. You'll agree, right? So you need to have little patience, pamper your skin, take care of your skin, drink lot of water. I hope I could explain well why serums are important part in the skincare routine. Just take serum as your treatment. I hope this was short and smart enough to understand. Thank you so much for the love and support. See you all soon in my part 4 video. Till then, bye bye.